Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about the smoothing of the data in the XRD plotting. So first of all, what we have to do is open my raw file. Okay, so already I've opened my raw file. So here my 2 theta is my x-axis, okay, and y-axis is my intensity, which is this one. So what we have to do, you have to select and paste my data, or you can import the data if you have ASCII files, so you can directly import from here. Okay, it allows you to also even it allows you to import the Excel file also, and a single ASCII file, or sometimes image to matrix also. Okay, now what we have done is, now we have imported the data. So what we will do, we'll go simply and plot, or you can just choose the plot from here. So now we have plotted the data. So our data looks like this, and it looks like a bit rough data. So what we need to do is, we have to go to the analysis, and here the option comes up smooth. So we will go to the smooth and default. We will not use the old option, so we will just choose smooth. And what we have to change here is method. We will choose as advanced averaging, and also if you click here, it will give you the auto preview, and then we need to choose here, for example, 20. Okay, and in boundary conditions we will choose none. Okay, and we can also even increase the points. Okay, so simultaneously it will be picking the 30 points or 60 points or 20 points or 60. Let us increase to 60. And adding 60, then we will press OK. And then this is my smoothen point, so we will choose this one. And then after this we can just unselect and then apply and then press OK. So this is my smooth and curve. Okay, so you can even make this is your my smooth XRD data. Okay, or you can say XRD diffraction data, and even you check to the book, so you have the smooth point and this one. So even you can select these 2 theta and x, y. Okay, and then plot again. So the original data you saw, it was the curve was big rough. Now we have the smooth data. So this was all about the smooth data, and you can say the originally data which was very bad. So we'll choose the graph 2, so you can see here. Okay, this was all about. So don't forget to like and subscribe.